is about that. And to here we give us 10%. We're aiming the 90% somewhere here to 6%. To 6%, and turn out to be a losing trade. You know the reason why. Although we have 1 to 3 we have our 15 minutes candlestick confirmation. But why? Basically, this is a bigger structure. And look at the candlestick here. We have a lot of rejections. Why this 15 minutes candle is not the ideal candle for the entry? We didn't even break this rejection. We didn't break this rejection. The 15 minutes candle didn't break this rejection. So this is not the ideal trade. If it was to be this 15 candle to be broke below, close below somewhere here, or close below this rejection, this trade will be an ideal trade to commit. So these types of trade or type of patterns like this, so we have to use the 1 hour confirmation. So the 1 hour there was no confirmation for us to take that trade. So you see what happened. This was that this is not a confirmation for that trade, and then the results in a loss. So that was a 1% loss. That didn't really happen for us, and then we started getting the buys. But my overall bias was the buy, because I knew that pair is kind of, we should get some kind of, wasn't clear. This wasn't clear, but it was some kind of, so if this trade tap into here, it would be the trade for me. But I was expecting the trade to tap into this area so that I can get a long somewhere from where then. Sorry, I was expecting it to tap there. You can use the 15 minutes. This is the type of channels that you can use the 15 minutes to get somewhere 5 points something. But this didn't happen, so there was no trade for me. I didn't take trade. And then now let's see what is happening now. What is happening? We can still focus on this area and the miss area, and then we also have this area within the 15 minutes. So taking buys right now, I can't tell. So what I'm looking for is these areas. So we have a reflection point around this area too. So what I'm looking for is that price trader comes in a corrective way, or reversal. We have a reversal pattern, so it can be like this. Then price getting here will create something like this, and I wait for a close, and then perfect continuation to break this high, and then get the third touch. So that will be the ideal for the trade. So this will be what we will be monitoring this coming week, and this will be perfect trade if you get that. So in forex trading, you wait to see what you want. You can't create what you want. You wait to see what you want, then you capitalize on it. So this is very, very simple. So we can wait to see what we want and then take the trade or capitalize on it. So let's see. This one is going to be our ideal trade for the week. So these are the pairs I really want to focus this week: Euro USD, GBP JPY, and also okay. Let's do some analysis on Euro JPY. That is also one pair. That's Euro JPY. So Euro JPY. So let's go to 1 week. Still okay. Let's go to Forex, since I already have analysis there. I don't like this. Let me clean the charts. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, so for Euro JPY 2, you can see that we have, this is the area that we position ourselves for a heavy sell. Other than that, we are not, but you can see some form of 1, 2, 3, 5 near that area. You understand? So for this pair, we still have some buys. That is not what we're expecting now. Let's see if the buy, you can confirm some short buys and then get some short entries. So what is happening is that when we come to this time frame, we have this graph here. So this tells you that we still have. So when you know how to position yourself in the markets, you know where to take your entries, where to exit your entries. Positioning is one of the key things that you learn from the falcon mechanics. Okay, so let's see. We have this whole move. We came, position ourselves here. What happened? We got to here. Then so here you will see if you can have some entries around this area, and then you can also still position yourself around this area to see whatever is happening in the market. So let's go to our entry time frame. Our entry time frames. Okay, so what are we seeing now? Our entry time frame. What are we seeing? Break these areas. Right. Okay. Let me see this whole move. Let's use the 15 minutes. If we can have some entry for you to see. So I can position myself here. We're still like okay. So I need to really see a lot of entries here. It's only this trade. Now this trade wasn't the ideal trade. It's only this trade that's my network is not working. It's back. Network is not working. So this is it. So right now from this one we talk about getting such there will be an insurance entry here. You can finally get this entry. So let's say 15 minutes. We took this entry. We don't really monitor this entry. So let's see. I've got a risk entry from here. I'll stop just below 40%. 3.6 you can get out for 3.6 3% or 3.6 is okay for us. So we need this entry. Now what we are looking for is the we going to get the buy trade event actually have. What I will use is the reflection point here and then this footprint. Let's see how price will get to here. If price gets to here relatively like this, then we are going to have a trade. Like this, then we are going to have what? A trade. Or we can wait for a push then. Take the insurance push. So these are the criteria we'll be looking for. So it's either we need to see this to get it. So this will be the ID for that. So let's quickly. This is Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is one of my best pairs that I'm monitoring. Nasdaq has been very phenomenal up running. So you see that what Nasdaq is doing. Generally, we will get you updates on Nasdaq during the midweek training section. So let's focus on this. So let me add something small on this NZD. So you can see that NZD2 we are targeting a boost because we have a gap to fill over here, and the overall target that I'll be looking for I sell in this area. You get it, and we have here even if you want to sell in a medium term, and this is where I look for in this area. So what I'm looking for is that NZD, let's take our tool and measure and see where the position can be. So any retracement to the 50% margin is legit. So we can confirm the boost here. We can confirm the boost. But let's see what is actually happening. We target here. We position ourselves here because there was a lot of momentum volume 1, 2, 3, 5 here. This was as a result of December CPI. We got this nice trade. I have how the setup there, how it played out, I have everything there. There's a 9x for trade for the December CPI. We got this nice trade for about a lot of percentage. So we use the 15 minutes to find and then the 1 hour entry. So let's see. We position ourselves here. We are here, and what are we expecting? We tapped in here, we corrected, we came back. What are we still looking for? Then we created. Let's see. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour. Created this 15 minutes head and shoulder and see how aggressively price moved from here. I didn't take this trade because what I was expecting, I was expecting a 1, 2, 3 drive reaching this reflection area, but I didn't see that, and I was expecting a push and then a confirmable entry. I didn't still get that, so I didn't take this trade. I am still hoping to get a trade in here. So let's see. I can confirm the boost for you now. But we have to still position ourselves and see. So we position ourselves here and here. You see, maybe there can be a turnaround and we can position ourselves here to let's go to the 15 minutes. What are we seeing? We have ourselves positioned here, and then we have ourselves positioned. So we see the reflection area. We don't normally take it really, but sometimes let's get to the reflection area and then start moving up. So NZD, I will update you for now. We don't have any trade idea on NZD because we've positioned ourselves here on the medium term or on the smaller time frame. And these trades or these positions are on the smaller time frame. This is the higher time frame position that we expect to get once, and this is the higher time frame position that we expect to get. So but these are medium term, shorter positions. So this type of positions we normally don't enjoy much of our trade around these areas, but if we get the continuation patterns around this position, that is where we enjoy our trades. So now let's finish with GBP USD. GBP USD, we have similar to so GBP USD, we have our overall setup, and it was a nice setup that we got something like so volume was good, tapping here, we got the sales, and then we are now beginning to play this. So let's see what is going to happen around this area for medium term. Position ourselves here. There's a near gap miss into 1 hour. So you see, this is where we have positioned ourselves for the longs. So this is what we want to see. We want to see this. Okay. Then we push a continuation, either a flat or to get to this position around this area or even to here. So let me take you through. Let's go to Forex and let me take you through where we have positioned for longer term moves on GBP. So GBP, there was a volume has also been built here. 1, 2, 3 drive and break back in. This is our point. This is what we are looking for to get a longs to here, either this area or this area or this area. These are our perfect taking targets levels. And we also have this whole area that we are looking for in GBP. So let's have our targets on this also GBP USD. So I'll be giving you, I'll be taking you through, giving you guidelines on the Falcon mechanics, Falcon trading guides, to how to register. In Falcon community is one of the best community that if you're a trader and you get yourself in, it will help you to try and get into the Falcon community. Or if you want to learn the basis of the Falcon trading guide, I'll add my Telegram channel and then my contacts on the video in the description for you to get and then get contact with me, so that I will take you through some of the things that we know for Falcon. This strategy is very simple and has been game changer to many of us. So stay tuned to us and watch out for our new. I'll be sorry for the sound and other thing. This is our first video, so we are sorry for whatever difficulties we will get encountering or facing. We will try our maximum best to get the best for you people. But for now, we are out. We will post more updates. Watch for more updates this week. We're going to post a lot of trading opportunities. Whenever we get the entries, we'll post them for you to see. So don't miss out. So here you can also get something like this to get a perfect touch. You can get something like this to get a perfect touch. So we are waiting for a third perfect touch. So stay tuned. GBP USD. You will enjoy the sales from there to here. I think you can get from here to here and A to B. So let's see. GBP to A and to B. So these areas, this is what we're talking about. So anyway, get it perfect.